Smashing an old porcelain toilet during removal can create dangerous flying shards and hidden hazards that put people and property at risk. Porcelain fragments can travel a surprising distance and can easily penetrate skin or footwear, so always plan containment and control before any breakage. Start by shutting off water and removing the tank and seat to reduce pieces and weight. Then double wrap the bowl in heavy canvas or moving blankets and secure with contractor tape to prevent sudden disintegration. Use a small hammer or chisel to score and create a controlled fracture point rather than swinging wildly, and work slowly from the top down to keep pieces manageable. Position a sturdy outdoor container such as a metal trash can lined with a heavy-duty bladder beneath the work area to catch fragments and dust. And keep bystanders at a safe distance. Always wear eye protection rated for impact, puncture-resistant gloves, long sleeves, and thick closed-toe boots. And consider a dust mask if the porcelain is old or dirty to avoid inhaling fine particles. If there is any risk of hitting nearby plumbing or finished flooring, move the fixture outdoors or onto a sacrificial surface and use the least force necessary to reduce ricochet. Common mistakes include trying to break a toilet inside on finished flooring, which can crack tile and grout, so move the piece outside onto a contained bin or protective surface to prevent damage. Another frequent issue is inadequate personal protective equipment, which leads to cuts and eye injuries. So put on impact-rated goggles, heavy gloves, and sturdy footwear before you touch the hammer. Finally, people often underestimate flying debris and fail to secure the bowl, which causes shards to scatter, so wrap the unit thoroughly and lower force while containing fragments in a closed container. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and compare who can handle removal and disposal safely, and we connect contractors with homeowners looking for specific services. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, vendor experiences, and step-by-step advice for jobs like responsible toilet disposal.